In looking at linear equations of two variables, one of the things you must be able to do is solve for what are called the x and y intercepts. An intercept is a place where the graph crosses the x or y axis. For example, if we look at a graph like this, you will see it crosses the y-axis in one place. This is a y-intercept. And it crosses the x-axis in three places. These are all x-intercepts. We can write the intercepts as ordered pairs, and when written as ordered pairs, the x-intercept always has a y value of 0, and the y-intercept always has an x value of 0. This leads us to a way to solve for the x and y intercepts. When dealing with a linear equation in standard form, we can simply plug in 0 for x and 0 for y to solve for the intercepts. In order to solve for the x-intercept, we plug in 0 for y, which gives us 3x minus 4 times 0 equals 12. Notice this term disappears, which leaves us with 3x equals 12, and dividing by 3, we get x equals 4. We can then write this as an ordered pair of 4, 0. Likewise, to solve for the y-intercept, we plug in 0 for x, which gives us 3 times 0 minus 4y equals 12. This term goes to 0, leaving us with negative 4y equals 12. When we divide by the negative 4, we get y equals negative 3, which as an ordered pair is 0, negative 3. We can then take that information, which gives us 2 points on the graph. They are 4, 0, and 0, negative 3, which we can then graph as our line. Please note a common mistake is students will often graph the point 4, negative 3, and think that is on the line. This is not on the line. It is the points with respect to 0. Another place that students often have trouble is if both intercepts are the same. So for example, if I have the equation 3x plus 2y equals 0, notice when I plug in 0 for x and solve for y, I get y equals 0, which gives me the point 0, 0. The same thing happens when I plug in 0 for y. And so students often don't know, okay, well, it goes through 0, 0. How do I draw the line? In that case, you just need to pick another point to solve for. So for example, I might plug in 3 times 1 plus 2y equals 0, which gives me 3 plus 2y equals 0. I subtract 3, which leaves me with 2y equals negative 3. And so y equals negative 3 halves. But I know that x is 1 and y is negative 3 halves. So now I have the point 0, 0 and the point 1, negative 3 halves. And so now I can connect those 2 points to graph the line.